I'm out by myself, and I go into a store, which shall remain unnamed, and I say to the woman, excuse me, may I see that bag right above your head? And she says to me, no, it's too expensive. And I said, no, see the black one, the one that's folded over and she said, no, you don't want to see that one. You want to see this one because that one will cost too much. You will not be able to afford that. And I said, well, no, I really did want to see that one. And she refused to get it. She refused to get it. And she started to show me these other little bags. And I said, one more time I tried, I said, but I really do just really want to see that one. And she said, oh, I don't want to hurt your feelings. And I said, okay, thank you so much. You're probably right. I can't afford it. And I walked out of the store.
Why wasn't Oprah allowed to look at the handbag she wanted to buy?
She was allowed. She was absolutely allowed. But she didn't even, my salesperson, she wanted to give her the handbag in her hand, but she didn't want to take it in her hand. She just wanted to look at the bag.
I'm not clear, because Oprah says that she pointed to the bag she wanted to see, and your assistant, she claims, said that she couldn't see it and actually she wouldn't be able to afford it. Now, is Oprah not telling the truth?
Never. Excuse me, you know, there is one situation. This girl speaks Italian and English, but her English isn't as good as Italian. And this girl normally is in St. Moritz, because there we speak a lot of Italian. So it must have been a misunderstanding.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't want to cut across you, but is Oprah not telling the truth?
I wasn't there. Excuse me. I wasn't there. I'm the owner. I didn't take care of Oprah. I'm sure she felt like this, but my sales girl, she really promised me that she took care of Mrs. Oprah really the best as she could. And this sales girl normally spoils the customer from bottom to the top. So it must have been a misunderstanding.
So you believe your sales girl, do you? And you won't be getting rid of your sales girl. You believe her and will keep on employing her?
No, I mean, this sales girl, she is with me for a few years, and she takes care of the customer, really of the most spoiled customer from all over the world, any countries, and any, I tell you, just the best. And she is a really correct salesperson. So it must have been a misunderstanding. She tried to show Mrs. Oprah the same style in other qualities, because maybe she didn't understand what she wanted. I don't know. But the sales girl really promised me that she did everything for Miss Oprah. Actually, she wasn't sure if it was Mrs. Oprah or if it was somebody else.